Assalamualaikum. This time we look at the traditional technique of taking sula-sula in a hole in a mangrove forest.
Assalamualaikum padian. Kali ani katani tuak baluai nyaluk sula-sula pulau tunjang.
Let's go liai, suung ta bainat. Live in the mud of the mangrove sula-sula family to raise a clam, scientific name Forella javanica, Lamarck, 1818, family, Faraday.
Sula-sula ani banyak macam lagawannya pun naga lain.
Sula-sula lives with an inch-long hole. The hole is 1 foot to 2 feet deep. Looking at the size of the sula living in the mud of the mangroves.
Sula-sula ani dalam lumpur tunjang. Mata mulut lubangnya sabasa patumut sikup bijak. Dalamnya sakaki labi.
Insert your index finger into the hole of the sula-sula while feeling the path until it reaches the sula-sula. Pinch with your thumb and pull it out and succeed.
Gaya mulanya nyaluk sula-sula ani. Asaki tunjuk sawangnya. Damita asaye indungnya. Kapit makai indung tangan. Taya sula-sula atau lai.
Sula-sula live in the natural nature of the mangrove swamp, which is not located in a village. This traditional method of taking sula-sula is still used on the island of Labuan from ancient times.
Mitua nyaluk sula-sula munggai mulanya. Tuagan pulau tunjang. Ibehilian sungai daya hulu kamuhala.
If you are afraid of the sharpness of the sula-sula clover skin in the hole, you can use a garden soil scraper by digging it.
Amun makai sikup damit dapat juang wik sula-sula ani. Bukan jua apa liau, tajam lakonya kulitnya. Bayewati bibai malangkah tunjuk angkatah lagi amun tangan uang kayangan.
Using a chandang machete can also take sula-sula almond bagas takarini.
Makai mangcandung dapat jua, tabak akan mandiri. Jadinya sula-sula atau indaya ulah malungso, tahandak ya ulih mangcandung.
This is the uniqueness of the Menyeluk SULA-sula tradition of the island of Labuan. To preserve the original taste without using lime and others.
Iata ini upanya nyaluk sula-sula daya mulanya. Siuk hantak baluai pulau tunjang nyaluk sula-sula.
Alhamdulillah, Menyeluk SULA-sula physically challenged and purify the mind by looking at the gifts created by Allah Azza wa Jalla.
Suko alhamdulillah. Nakan ujamulah mama, pantulia ain basuh buah-buahi. Sula-sula halaman tanah, tanah lanah andangnya ata. Indah basapa ajikinya Allah, umpunya Allah, 7 mulihnya.
Sula-sula is washed, boiled and opened to take the contents.
Mausah sula-sula, abus, lapi pautnya salajo basuh.